Hello guys, so we just installed our camera ddpai z60. It has so many functionalities. We can see from here 4K, ultra band, night vision, and all of these functions. We came here to this shop and I'll show you the number also, and then the functionality is super nice. This has been installed with very neatness and cleanliness, so you can see here the functions and the buttons, and the work of the wiring is perfect. So you can see here it's neatly installed, and the cables you don't see anywhere. So you can see here the functionality, and this is the shop. If you want to come, I can send you the link in the YouTube channel. Please come to this shop, and good price inshallah. Thank you so much.